Same day, same hour, different minutes, same person, different topic, but still different subtopic on the same topic. Still entrepreneurship namhlanje. The whole day mandigqibele we. Skills required for entrepreneurship. Zeziphi skills fanele ube nazo for ntoni le entrepreneurship ofuna uyenza. Icala lam liyaguga, fanele ndithenge elinye. The skill is simply knowledge that is demonstrated through action. Potential entrepreneurs therefore need knowledge about particular environments and industries in which they want to operate, plus considerable management skills such as efanele ube nolwazi ngale industry ofuna uyenza. Uma ufuna ungena kuyo ndazi man, zenza umzekelo ntoni, masesibambe ii-skills ongizoyicinga. Eyokuqala, strategy skills. These involve the ability to consider the business as a whole and to understand how it fits within its marketplace, how it can organize itself to deliver value to its customers, and the ways in which it does this better than its other competitors. Strategize again. But business as a whole, we understand about how it fits within its marketplace. Ingena kanjani le market le business yami ndiyiqalayo. How it can organize itself to deliver value to its customer. Ndazi uba i-customer wam kuya zincumile, ndenza kanjani, organize kanjani. Mhlawumbi i-delivery, yabo, delivery apha mhlawumbi ayikho. Mhlawumbi ndiyaqala ibhizinesi yam ndizawunayo i-deliver man. Umntu odelele kuwo kwam ngesiza umntu akatata imilenze isedongeni a-ode, yabo. In ways, in which way it does better than its competitors, because business is a competition, whether we like it or not, whether we want to admit it or not. Business is a competition. Xa ne-coffee shop nawo ne-coffee shop siyakompyutha, bona okay. Kule coffee shop yalaa mntu kukho ntoni nantoni nantoni mhlawumbi. Then kule yakho uze ne-strategy uba ndizawufokasisa bakhe qha yellow bones for ndini. Soze umntu angazithandi yellow bones. Umntu nabantu bakhe abantu bathanda ukuzo ufake yellow bones bafike. And beautiful and black beauties, yabo. Faka abantu abakhe qha pha bafike abantu bathenga, yabo. That's strategy yona. Then planning skills. These involve the ability to consider what the future might offer, how this will impact on the business, and what needs to be done now to prepare for it. Plan by future ke ngoku. The future is AI. Okay, how will AI affect my business? Will AI affect my business or improve my business? In what way? How will? In the future, will I survive this, and this, and that, and that? Aha. Plan of it. Yeah, plan now. Plan. I want to sort it down with the Never petty beer, okay, marketing skills, marketing skills. These involve the ability to see past the offerings of the business and their features, how to satisfy the customer's needs and why the customer finds them attractive. Marketing skills, these involve the ability to see past the offerings of the business and their features, how these satisfy the customer's needs and why the customer find them attractive. Yamarketa ngoku uba le nto isatisfy njani customer le business yam, isatisfy njani i-customer yona nee-needs ze-customer, because wonke umntu unazo ii-needs. Needs zantoni? Needs zantoni? Better needs ze-quality food. Umntu uba eyi kutya ku-healthy kumnandi. Healthy abantu bayithanda into e-healthy iphinde ibe mbi, bathanda into e-healthy nemnandi. Mhlawumbi okay xa ndivitha ndizawubhala loo nto healthy and yabo ezinjalo fethu, ezinjalo. Okay, khona umntu okuthiwa Mr. Abraham, which invested in the model of direct selling based on personal relationship with investors. This model ensured the lowest churn ratio in the investment industry, which 30,000 direct retail clients. The product was tailored to what people needed and not so much to what they wanted. This was determined by the OCs through the personal relationship with clients. So ke ngoku lo mntu le business yakhe tailored to what people need, not what they want. People want into ezimnandi but ziphinde zibe junk at the same time. You want it, mhlawumbi business yakho ayizufocus apho. People want i-vitamin A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Uzawuthi product yakho okanye ikhampani yakho can offer vitamin A, B, C, D, E, F, G. They don't want as of Jacob of health, but we need vitamins to survive. So business now focus on way marketing skills, okay. Mna le nto ndifuna but ndinale nto niyidingayo, which is healthy food and clean purified water. Mhlawumbi ndingisa amanzi aclean kakubi. Financial skills, ezinye i-skills esi-4. Eyokuqala ibingu-strategy skills, esibini planning skills, esithathu marketing skills, ngoku seku-financial skills. Ezi skills involve the ability to manage money, to be able to keep track of expenditure and monitor cash flow, but also to access investments in terms of their potential and their risk. So fanele ukwazi umanage imali mfondini. Jonga le mali yam, nantsi imali yam, ndinale mali. Iyephi le mali? Okay, ndithenge lo mtshini omtsha for ezi chips endizenzayo. Okay. Manage, xa manage imali, manager neento fethu, ne-income, ne-expenditures. This ngolesithathu namhlanje, ngolesithathu ndingenelwe yi-5,000. Ingenile, abantu bathengile. Total 5,000. But expenditure izawufana iphume ngoku to buy new machines for my business. Ntoni 6,000 senzitsho. Ayibona ke I'm managing ukuthi man, I'm gonna run into loss. Ntoni manage financial skills. Dlala ngemali fanele, dlala ngemali, khupha imali, faka imali, faka imali, khupha imali, faka imali, khupha imali, dlala imali, nyusa imali, khisa imali. Imali, making money moves, man. Then AS5, project management skills. These involve the ability to organize projects, to set specific objectives, to draw schedules, and to ensure that necessary resources are in the right place at the right time. Uyamanage ngoku into lewe yakho, ensure uba ezi resources ezinecessary zikwindawo erayithi ngexesha elirayithi. Project management skills, motherfuckers. Okay, human relation skills, ngoye-7 ukugqibela. These involve the ability to deal with people and include leadership skills, motivational skills, and communication skills. So human relation skills kuyafana ngathi khona i-motivational skills, leadership skills, communication skills. I think this is the most crucial one because xa ibhizinesi fanele ukwazi uthetha nomntu. Yabo, i-motivation fanele ukwazi ulead aba bantu baphangela, abalead ukuthi okay, I'm leading you ngoku. Communicate with other business potential investors. Communicate, human, because human need human to get on. Yabo, human need human to make money. Because le way yakho ezothengwa yi-AI ayithengi, izathengwa ngumntu, yabo. And abantu kama uinvesta ngabantu. So you must have a way with human. You must learn communication. You must master the communication skills. So nazi factors influencing the entrepreneurial performance. Industry knowledge, yazi kangakanani eshishini ongena kulo, interest ongena kuyo. Mhlawumbi entering in the mining industry. How well do you know this mining industry? Yazi kangakanani ngale mine. Uba imine zenza njani, iigolide zayigrumba zisiphi, yabo, imali inkoteliwe, njalo njalo. Fanele uyazi. General management skills, uyakwazi umanager nabo, okay. Kule mine yam ndinabantu abangaka nabangaka nabangaka, yabo, bangaka okanye kwezi mine kwabantu abangaka nabangaka. Okanye kule industry yakho yonto, industry leyo ingena kuyo fanele ukwazi umanage, otherwise management is the key. Enye personal motivation achievement, fanele uzimotivate okwakho because ibhizinesi yakho may fail unyaka wokuqala, the whole year. Mhlawumbi xa ibhizinesi ngo-August, August, ifeyile eSeptember, ifeyile eOctober, ifeyile eNovember, ifeyile eDisemba, ifeyile eJanuwari, but February skyrocket. So fanele umane uzimotivate, okay. But ungamotivate ubona akho nto enzekayo, but you must motivate implementing new strategy. Motivate implementing le ayisebenzanga ezi strategy, ndifaka le asisebenzi, okay, ndifake ezi, asisebenzi, ndifake ezi, asisebenzi, ndifake ezi, yabo. You can fail 100 times, but you must come back 101. Watsho Paul Heyman, ayindini Paul Heyman akwi-WWE. Human relation skills, they basically uba is vital and important, very vital, important skill. Uba ubazi abantu, uncokole nabantu, ukwazi uba nembeko nabantu, because people will take it far. Because business needs, izinto ezithengisayo needs to be bought by people, and they are for people, they are managed by people. Now uzawuba utheni, usetyenzela by people. So that's important. Yeah, man. But I think now the entrepreneurship journey is fun. It's fun. I'm learning a lot. I'm learning a lot. I hope you're learning a lot. Hope we are learning a lot. I can do bullies. I can't learn one. I shop.